In this video, you'll learn if you should grow plants from seed, or buy them from nurseries. Growing plants from seed can have many benefits, such as cost effectiveness. A packet of dozens of seeds is often cheaper than a single store-bought plant. Growing from seed also allows you to grow many different varieties of plants that may not be available at a nursery. This method can also be more satisfying, as you've gone through the entire process of germinating a seed, right to the harvest. Plants that are better to be grown from seed, as opposed to being bought, include annual flowers, like zinnias, cosmos, and marigolds. This is because these types of flowers are both quick and easy to grow. Other plants include some herbs, as well as certain veggies, such as cucumbers, carrots, and beans. Cucumbers, because of their fast and easy growing; carrots, because they are required to be directly planted in the soil, and usually aren't found at nurseries anyways; and beans, because they are not only easy to grow, but might have trouble being transplanted. Buying plants from the nursery, or garden center, can also have its benefits. The main benefit is that you already have an established plant, and don't have to worry about starting seeds. It's also much more convenient, and there is a reduced risk of failure for the plant. Plants that are better to be bought at a nursery include perennial flowers, like roses and lavender, fruit trees, and some veggies, like peppers and tomatoes. All these plants can take a while to get going, and are often much quicker grown from an established plant. However, with peppers and tomatoes, it's not that necessary, but you will save as much as 2 months. In conclusion, if you want to save money, and plan on growing fast-growing plants, then starting from seed is the option for you. However, if you don't mind spending more and want to have an established plant, then the nursery is a better option.